This is Meerkat in for D7 with a broad market review for April the 21st, 2016. Well, let's take a look here at the markets. Des is speaking at a convention, so let's take a look and see, was it a bullish or bearish day on Wall Street? It was a little bit mixed, but slightly bearish. Let's look at the numbers here. SPY was down 0.5%. The Dow was down about 0.5%. The Qs, they closed flat. Then the small cap Russell here, it closed down at about 0.5% as well. So we were basically down about 0.5%, with the NASDAQ ending at neutral. Take a look at Bank, though. It did pull back just 0.25%, 0.28. The VIX was up 5%, up to 13.95, just under the 14 mark. Still in the low range. And then we've got silver and gold. They ended up the day at plus at about 0.4%. But I'm going to show you the silver chart. It was a very wide range day on silver today. Then we had the U.S. oil down, and the dollar was basically neutral. And the trend trade is not on for our Grok graduates. Okay, let's take a look here at the SPY chart. That's the ETF on the S&P 500. And here we are. It was a bearish day. Nice red candle here. But now, as Des has been talking about, it's been rolling over. We connect the swing highs here. Get the swing highs here and here. It's been losing its velocity as it goes up. Now this last one I've now extended all the way up here because the last 2 days we had spinning tops right at that resistance line. Today, bam. So these spinning tops are possible reversals, candles, and yes, it did fall down today. But this is only the first candle with a lower high and a lower low. This is not technically a swing high yet. We need one more candle to do that. That's on the S&P. Now we are right at that 110 range, which we know is a major line of resistance at about 110.60, and then we've got another resistance line up here at 111.50. All right, let's take a look here at the Dow Jones Industrial here, high basing here. Now it has not been continuing to run up. It's a high basing, just pulled back a little bit here to a major line of support. And again, it's above its this purple line here is the closing line from 2015, so we are in the green for the year. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, is not. It is still below its close from December, and we're just high basing, high basing, high basing here. And again, it basically closed neutral here. Now, these spinning tops, while they're in a consolidation, don't really mean anything other than indecision, which is consolidation anyway. Small caps here are just barely in the green for the year, and above now the 200 moving average on the daily chart. And so it's high base, high base, high base, indecision, indecision. Hey, I wanted to show you that VIX. It did pop up a little bit here today, but again, we have to remember our ranges. And when it's above 20, that's outrageous, as it was back here in August and then again at the beginning of the year. And now it's down here in this area of complacency, and it's supposed to be less volatile markets. And it did pop up a little bit here today, but we are definitely in the complacent area. And I want to take a look at silver. Now it's had a huge run up here the last few days, and today, look at that. It opened up over 5% this morning, and then proceeded to fall all the way down here below 16 on the SLV, and then right back up into here. So it did have an up day today, but clearly look at the wide range on that candle today. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat in for D7. I'll be here again tomorrow. And as of yesterday, I am a new grandpa. Meerkat's a grandpa. I guess you call that a grand cat. Life is a real joy. Tread well, everyone.